This quick honest review is of the NeilMed NasaDock Plus stand. Let me show you. So if you do use the NeilMed sinus rinse product, you put the water in and the solution and, for the nasal rinses. What you find every time you use it, you have to, ideally you want to sort of dry it out. And this is what this dock actually does. It's super useful that I found. It's called the NasaDock Plus, and it's simply just a dock for your NeilMed sinus rinse container. So takes about a minute to put together. You're just clipping in a couple of this top one here for the top of the rinse there, so that'll drain any water out there. And then you have your container, your bottle container as well, and you just put it in here like that. And again, it just helps to dry out your container. Very useful. Yeah, just one of those things that you're like, wow, why didn't I get this sooner? The other thing that it does have with the with the stand is that you can it's got a storage container at the bottom as well, so you can actually sort of store things in there as well. So just a nice little touch. That overall price point on Amazon, it's about $7.50 somewhere there, so super reasonably priced, and it really does such a great job. Again, it's one of those products where you sort of like, why the hell didn't I get one of these before? So yeah, overall, highly recommend this product, this drying stand. They do come in a few, two other colors. There's a black and there's a gray, and obviously the white is the one that I bought. But yeah, overall, highly recommend this product. Yeah, if you use the NeilMed sinus rinse product, then definitely go and get yourself one of these as well. You won't be sorry. It works great to dry it out. So yeah, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.